Hey, welcome back. You are in the right place for real talk and tips on school, life, and finding your path forward. Whether you're applying for a job, a college, or a scholarship, your resume matters. But if you're in high school, you might be thinking, what do I even put on it? No worries, this is for you. I'm going to break down exactly what to include and what people reading it are looking for. Part 1. What is a resume? A resume is a one-page summary of who you are, what you've done, and what you're good at. It helps employers, colleges, and scholarship committees decide if you are a good fit. Part 2. What to include. At the top of the page, contact information. Your name, first and last only. Don't use a middle name and don't use nicknames. Phone number. Use a cell phone. Don't use a home phone where your mom or your kid sister can answer the phone. And make sure that your voicemail greeting sounds professional so the person that called you feels like they made the right decision. Email. Make sure that you have a professional sounding email. Don't use something like One Cool Chick. If you don't have one, create one using your first and last name. And don't use your school email, as it will be deactivated after you graduate. Address. Include the city and state. And make sure it's an address that you are living at. Next is the profile. So your profile is a summary of your best qualities, your best work, your best achievements in a couple of lines to get the reader excited about what they're about to read and to help the reader remember your resume among all the others. Your profile could include academic studies, internships, summer jobs, volunteer work, creative projects, hobbies, sports, whatever you think will make you shine and stand out. Education is the next category. You'll write down the name of your high school, city and state, your expected graduation date, and if your GPA is strong, include it. I would say 3.5 is the marker. Above a 3.5, include it. And if it's below, you may not want to. And also, this is the place to include any honors classes, AP classes, or any other academic achievements or awards. The next category is experience. Jobs, internships, and volunteer work. No job? That's okay. Babysitting, tutoring, and even helping out your family business all count. And make sure that you include the company, the dates or seasons that you worked there, and a brief description of what you did. The next category is activities. This can include sports, clubs, student council, leadership roles, hobbies, creative projects. Really, the possibility is endless here. Whatever you think will make you shine and stand out. Finally, we have skills. So think tech, from Google Docs to Microsoft to Adobe or Canva. Include what you know. It can also be other things from communication, organizing, to graphic design, or a foreign language. Include whatever skills you think will help you stand out and set you apart. Part 3. What they're looking for. Employers want reliability, communication skills, and a good attitude. Colleges look for involvement, leadership, and curiosity beyond the classroom. Scholarships love students who show dedication, service, and goals that match their mission. Tip: don't just list what you did. Show how it made a difference. Like, led a fundraiser that raised $500 for local shelters. Remember, your resume tells your story, so make it clear, honest, and focused on your strengths. You've got more to offer than you think. If you want a free template or examples, check the link in the description. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you don't miss out on more tips to get you future ready. School tests us, life challenges us, but the future is yours to mold. Let's shape it together.